Welcome to this guide on how you can append or add custom pages or sections into your brochures. So we're going to start by clicking into a deal for which we want to create a brochure with custom pages or custom sections. And we're going to navigate to marketing materials and to create brochure. And here, I want to direct your attention to the brochure content, where we see the standard sections such as the intro, asset, financials, sale comps, rent comps, market overview. And below, we see custom sections and custom pages. Now, the way to add a custom section would be to use the append custom section here and simply to click add a section. And here you can upload your PDF slides. That would be your custom section that you want to add to the document. So I'm going to take a PDF and upload it here. And then we can choose the title for the custom section. So let's say about our team. And you can also add subtitles for subsections. So if you upload several slides that have different, maybe there's a page about the team, then there's a page with the locations for the company offices. In that case, my first subtitle is going to be about the team. And the second subsection is going to be locations. And once we are ready, we can click create custom section, and we'll see the custom section will appear in the custom sections on the right side of the screen here below the sections that are already contained in the brochure contents, right? And if we want to add this section to the document, we need to click on the checkbox, and that is going to add our section to the brochure contents. And we can also click and drag and drop, basically reordering, putting the section below or after any of the already included sections. And that's it. We just want to make sure that we have this checkbox active or enabled. Now, what if you want to append or add a custom page? So this could be a retailer map, or this could be a screenshot from our financial model. Whatever it is, we can navigate to append custom page or append custom pages and click on add my own page. And now we also have an option to upload a PDF page, and we can give it an internal name just so that we can reference to it afterwards. So I'm going to call it custom page 1. And we can choose whether we want to have the page header and page footer. So this will be in our design. The page header is basically going to copy or preserve the design of the template. And so we can call this page or give this page a title, custom page 1, and we can choose to have the footer included as well. Now, there is an option here visible for every property, which is going to make sure that this page will also be visible here in the custom pages for any other property. So we can add it there as well. If this custom page is only it's only relevant for this property in particular, we can leave this disabled. Now we're going to take a custom page in a PDF format and drag and drop it here. For best results, we want to make sure that we're using a horizontally positioned US letter format, and that our content that we want to display in the brochure is basically this green section here. So the best result would be with a 1504 times 964 pixel resolution or size of the image. So once we have uploaded the page, we can click create custom page. And this is going to add the custom page in the custom pages on the right side here. And now we can simply take the page and place it anywhere within the document. So let's say I'm going to place it between my sensitivity analysis page and my assumptions page. And once we're ready, we can generate this document to see the result. Note that we can add multiple custom sections. We can add multiple custom pages as we like, and then we can also add these for other properties. Perhaps there's some sections that we want to add to more than one property, like about a section, or for our broker opinion of values or something like that. So once this brochure generates, we're going to look at the result, and just reiterate the fact that for best results, you should use a US letter format, PDF placed horizontally, and your content, whether it's an image or a screenshot or anything else, should be 1504 times 964 pixels, and it should be placed like this. And I'm going to show you the reason for that. So we have generated this brochure. We're going to click preview, and we are going to navigate to our financials, and right after sensitivity analysis, which is on page 25, we see that we've added the custom page. And the reason for the formatting is that we can preserve the design of the template. So we have the header up there, and we have the footer below, and we have the same padding as we have with photos that are on other pages of this brochure. And then also right after market overview, we will see that we have our about our team section with 2 subsections, and we're going to have pages about our team following. So we hope this is helpful, and see you in the next videos.